Our world has endured a lot. Catastrophes feel like they keep appearing in the headlines and never stop. No one is ever truly ready for these events. What continues to prepare us is each other. The communities that are there for us when we need them. Introducing the Getxgo Kit, a line of fire and water resistant emergency kits that connect and prepare you on all fronts. Designed for those who get going. The Getxgo Kit is compact, portable, easy to use, and perfect for those on the go. And equipped with all the necessities, created to prepare and protect you today. Including universal cables, a solar-powered phone charger, biodegradable sanitary items, and more. We've gone beyond the necessary. Food, water, first aid, essential tools, and included items that are relevant to your modern needs. The fire-resistant and waterproof document pouches will help you protect copies of important documents, cash, and more. The Ready Pack will carry the document pouch, the Getxgo Kit, and your personal belongings, all in a convenient zip-open clamshell backpack design. Both are available with the choice of waterproof or fire-resistant material. You can keep a personal checklist and copies of your important documents and stay informed, all with our Preparedness app. We know emergencies are difficult to endure, but we give you an easy solution to a difficult problem, so during uncertainty, we can feel strength together. We are Getxgo, simplifying safety, connecting communities.